Let's see how fast we can install that. Yeah, bro.
Holy cow! Yeah, great job, Luke. Coming down. You're gonna take that here and put it on the outside wall. Pick it up.